Keto Broccoli Bites recipe. 1 pound broccoli or 2 small heads of broccoli. 1/4 cup of ground flax. Half cup of almond flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Chop the broccoli florets and stems. Steam the broccoli for 3 minutes or microwave for 3 minutes. Add the steamed broccoli to the food processor. Process the broccoli by pulsing it until the broccoli resembles rice. Add the riced broccoli to a large bowl with the ground flax, almond flour, salt and garlic powder. Stir the broccoli with the rest of the ingredients and let sit for 1 to 2 minutes to come together. Form 18 to 20 broccoli bites by pressing the mixture into the palm of one hand, then forming bites using the thumb and pointer finger of the other hand. Press the mixture together well. Bake in a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes, flipping with 5 minutes left so they can brown on both sides. Check the description below for more amazing keto recipes. Cheers!